Okay, so now you know how to format all your body text, you know how to format all your text, but you still have to make your book visually appealing inside. And the first thing you need to do to make your book visually appealing is to sort out your chapter titles. What are your chapter titles? Let's say this is the page of your book. You always have your chapter title right here, and then your body text starts here. And then in your second page, when they continue reading, you can have more body text like this. This is all your body text, and then the body text starts here. Now, it's very important that you understand some basic things about your chapter title. First thing you need to know is you always start your chapter on the right page. You always start your chapter on the right page, because when someone's reading your book, you always want the chapter to start over here. Even though I drew it on the left, now you know you always start on the right. So let me actually take this away and draw it again. Draw it correctly on how it should look like. So you're going to open your book, scroll through it, and then over here, you're going to have a blank page, and over here, you're going to have your chapter title, CT, chapter title, and then here, you're going to have your body text, BD, and then maybe your page number down here as well. I'll just circle that. Let's go. Bomba. So your chapter title always starts on the right page. So when someone opens your book, your chapters start always on the right page. You can apply this rule just for the first chapter if you want. It's okay if your other chapters start on the left page, but for the first chapter, you have to start on the right page. That's just the rule of the formatting gods that they created. Formatting, I don't know. But the formatting gods have given us the instruction that you always start chapter 1 on the right page. If you want to start chapter 2 on the left page, that's fine. But chapter 1 always on the right page. And usually I like to have all my chapters on the right page because it just looks super nice and neat. So that's number 1. Number 2, hierarchy. We already talked about hierarchy. You want your chapter title to be bigger than your body text. Why? Because you want them to read the chapter title first. So you must have hierarchy in your formatting as well. If the chapter title is a larger font, maybe a heavier weight, maybe a different font, or maybe the size is just bigger, that's great because you want them to read the chapter title first and then move on to the body text. So hierarchy is super important when it comes to chapter titles. Now, the third and final thing is you want to start your body text around 1/3 below the top of the page. So you can see if we separate this, here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3. So your body text would usually start around here. So you leave the first 1/3 for the chapter title. That's usually how it works. Now, sometimes you might have to manipulate this depending on how big or how long your chapter title is. But roughly, you want around 1/3 space for the chapter title on the top half of your chapter page. So your body text should start on 2/3 and below. So these are the 2/3 and this is the first third. If you follow these 3 instructions, your chapters are going to look amazing. Now, if you use the very special font on your book cover, you can actually use that same font for your chapter title because that creates what? Consistency. And we said consistency is all about making your book look professional. So if you have the same font inside and outside, you actually create a super consistent book. So it's very important that your chapter titles start on the right page for chapter 1. If you want to do it for all the chapters, that's fine. Make sure you have hierarchy, so your chapter title is larger than everything else. Make sure they read the chapter title first. And then you also want to leave space for the body text so it can start 1/3 down the page. So leave the first 1/3 for the chapter title, and then the body text can start. If you follow these 3 basic rules and you have a consistent font as well, you can choose a different font, that's fine. But usually I like to pick the same font as the cover if it's still readable and appropriate for the chapter titles. But as long as you have a nice font, your chapter titles are big, and you leave space for the body text 1/3 down the page, your chapter pages are going to look really good.